All right, so check this out right over here. Do you own a vehicle that you let sit for a couple days, and as you guys know, when you do that, your car battery dies, and from there it becomes a big trouble? I have the #1 solution for you, this car battery trickle charger. We are going to be doing a unboxing review and test on, in which the brand sent me out this product as a gift that we're going to be putting this to a test to. And in this unboxing review and test, we're going to open everything up, show you guys what you get inside, and from there we are going to test this onto my vehicle. So without going further, let's unbox this and show you guys more in depth. Okay, so without going further, let's unbox this and show you guys more in depth. So right over here, once we open this up right here, you can see that we get our jumper, the negative and positive. So the negative goes on the negative like always, the positive goes on the positive. Right over here, we are going to pull this out, show you guys more in depth. So right over here, we get it in a yellow color that looks really nice. It looks absolutely stunning and beautiful. And right over here is the trickle charger to put into your outlet. That way it charges up. Now, right over here onto the side, let's see what else it comes with, and just instruction menu guide if you want to learn more information about it, which is right over here. But what we're gonna do now is that we're going to put this product to a test and show you guys how well it performs onto my vehicle. Okay, so here we are in the garage, and this vehicle I have right over here, I do not drive this much, and it usually stays in the garage, and it does need a little bit of charging that you can see here. And you can currently see that it's on the negative to negative, the positive onto the positive, and it needs a little bit of charging, which I have right over here. You can see that it's charging very fast and efficiently that you can see here. It tells you the gauges and the numbers on everything that it wants to know. But other than that, I would definitely recommend this product because of the fact that it charges up your car very fast and efficiently. This right over here, this is an Optima battery, so it is a AGM battery that's a gel. So if you own a deep cycle battery, this would definitely work best for those type of vehicles that usually sit for a long time and you don't really drive those cars much. I would definitely recommend this trickle charger if you're looking for something like that. But you can see that it tells you all the gauges and everything that you should know. And you know, it's a 12-volt charger that you can see here. So if you're looking for a fast and efficient way to charge up your vehicle for those people that usually don't drive their vehicles much and they usually sit inside the garage, and you know, this right over here is by far one of the best products to get, especially if you own a deep cycle AGM battery. Then I would definitely recommend this product. If you're looking for a way to charge up your car battery, then this right over here is by far one of the best products to get, and I would definitely recommend this product.